Hey guys, I'm Tommy Genesis. I'm going to be showing you one of the looks I do for tour and how to get this Fenty face. The first product I'm using is the Pro Kisser Lip Scrub, and you just put a little bit on when your lips are dry and you just wipe it off. And then this is one of my favorite products. It's the Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. Next, I'm going to be using the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I have combination skin, so this doesn't make me too oily and doesn't make me too dry. I just really like it. It kind of just seals in my foundation so that nothing moves when I'm performing. I'm using the Soft Matte Foundation. It doesn't move, and that's really important for me when I'm performing, when I'm on tour. Ooh, I like it. Next, I'm using the Pro Filter Concealer in 300, and it's a little bit lighter than my foundation shade, which is 310. I like to just do a little swipe, and then I like to take the little sponge and just go in under my eyes. Alright, so the next one I'm using is the Truffle. This is one of my favorites. I used to always kind of do it down here, and that actually drags your face downwards. So do it a little bit higher and it'll pull your cheeks up. Down. That. Kind of have a secret big forehead. It's always hiding, so kind of do. I just go like that. I actually learned this the other day. I was drawing on my jaw, but you actually want to do it a little bit under. Alright, cool. So drew it on my face. What I'm actually going to do is just put a tiny bit on my hand. And since I'm doing my tour look, I put extra concealer. Usually day to day I don't do this, but if you want to brighten your under eye area more, if people are taking lots of photos of you, just a little bit more. Sometimes I get in at 7 a.m., have a show, have to fly out the next day at 7 a.m., have another show, and if I don't have this, I look crazy. The next product I'm going to be using is the Fenty Beauty Setting Powder in Banana. So I usually let this sit for a minute or two, and then I use the Brow MVP. The way I do my brows is kind of do little hairs. I have an overall shape that I will outline, but other than that, I just go along with the natural shape of my brow. And I actually really like this brow brush because I find if I use a harsh brush on my eyebrows, I'll lose eyebrow hair. But with this, it's really soft. Now we're finished baking. When I'm on tour, I bake and I leave it on for a minute just to set the concealer. Now I'm going to be using the Moroccan Spice palette. This is one of my favorite things. I use it every day. I'm going to be using the shade Cumin Get It. So I usually put this on my lid, not too high up, but up to my crease and a little bit out. Again, over here. One thing that's really fun about this palette is there's so many colors you can see, and what I actually do on tour is I'll just pick a different color every night. Evil Genie, it's one of my favorite, and then I like to throw on an eyeliner, the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. The tip is really long, so I actually really love it when I'm applying. It's really easy to get the shape you want. That was actually so good. One more thing I'm gonna do with the Moroccan Spice palette, put a little bit of the Cumin Get It under my eyes. Now I'm gonna use the Sunstalker bronzer in Beige and Gal. And this is where I get my ear a little bit. I like to just kind of follow my jawline again. I'm gonna use the Kilowatt Mean Money Hustler Baby next. It's a highlighter. I like to use this on tour just because in photos it'll give me kind of that extra pop on my cheekbones. I just added a little bit of mascara, and I'm gonna finish with my lips. Just gonna dab off the lip balm that I've been wearing this entire time, and I'm going to be wearing the Stunner Lip Paint in Uncensored. Okay guys, so I'm basically done. I've done my lips. One little thing I like to do that's a secret is I'll take the fly liner and I'll go in and reinstate my beauty mark. Alright guys, so that was one of my tour looks that I love to do when I'm performing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Love you!